Good afternoon guys, it's Friday for us, so happy Friday. Might not be for you, whatever day you're watching this, but today's video is this 2024 Fiat Ducato Auto Trail. So this particular model is the Auto Trail 635, it's the V-Line Sport, really good looking vehicle, nice and clean and tidy, and has come to us for our incredibly popular front side steps. So these are manual side steps, and if you've watched this video before, sorry, but we do so many of them and we get so many different varying models of vehicles through the door that we like to just do a refresher video every now and again, because a lot of the vehicles, and we did one yesterday for instance, big coach big vehicle with the fairing that came out, whereas this is a nice looking vehicle, factory fitted mud flaps, already got an electric habitation door, but now this customer is able to get in and out of their vehicle effortlessly with the help of the side step. As you can see here, if Sammy can have a look, this is a really big step up, and I'm 6 foot tall, and this is a big step up. So if you can reduce that by 50% and step up like this, unaided, it makes it a lot safer, especially when it's potentially slippery or icy or other such things. But because of the fact that none of the motorhomes we've seen, coach built or panel van like this, they don't have a grab bar because they want to try and not make it look too commercial van, but also most of the time there's blinds fitted. So in this situation, you've got your hand on the B pillar here, and I can support or steady myself up as I get into the vehicle like so, and then get back down again. So these are on our website. These are only supplied and fitted here at our workshop in Poole expertly by Martin. And they come with 12 months warranty, and they're a cracking bit of kit and incredibly rugged. So if you are interested in these, get in touch with us. At the moment we only do them for the Fiat, Citroen and Peugeot platform, coach built and non-coach built, and also for the Contiki range as well. It doesn't matter if you've got self-leveling or on air, we also cater for that as well, so please do get in touch with us. Website link is in the bio. As usual, thank you for watching.